Good morning, everyone. In celebration of the spirit of Chinese New Year in the light of the Gospel, we will be holding a Chinese New Year greeting card design competition. Each participant is required to create one Chinese New Year greeting card. The work must be original, not plagiarized, and must not have been submitted to any previous competition. The design must be created during the competition on the spot with a time limit of 1 hour. All submitted works will become the property of the school and may be used for publication and educational purposes. The greeting card size must be 1080 by 1350 pixels, Instagram feed size, and submitted in JPG, PNG, or PDF format. The file naming format should be as follows. Participants must use Canva application. After understanding the competition requirements, we will learn a simple way to create a digital greeting card using Canva. 1. Creating the canvas size. Open the Canva application, click the Custom Size button. Enter the required size, for example, Instagram feed size. Click Create New Design. 2. Changing the background. First method, using a solid color. Click on the empty area of the canvas. Click the color icon at the bottom. Choose the desired color. Second method, using a background from Canva. Click the Photos menu. Search for the desired background, for example, Chinese New Year. Click the selected background and adjust it on the canvas. Three, adding elements. Click the Elements menu. Use the search bar to find images, icons, lines, shapes, or illustrations. For example, Chinese New Year, lantern, gold pattern, or any other desired keywords. Click the selected element to add it to the canvas. 4. Adding text. Click the Text menu and choose the type of text you want to use. Then type, Happy Chinese New Year. 5. Changing the font. Click the text you want to edit. At the bottom menu, select Font. Choose a font style that matches the theme. Six, saving the design. Click the Share button in the top right corner. Select Download. Choose the format, JPG, PNG, or PDF. Click Download. 7. Renaming the file. Open the File Manager and go to the Download folder. Find your design file, press and hold the file, click the 3 dots and choose Rename. We hope this activity will become a way to foster creativity while strengthening the spirit of togetherness and the joy of Chinese New Year. Happy creating!
Powered by artificial intelligence.